What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get Mewtwo icons in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. So currently in Pokemon TCG Pocket there are two secret icons, there are two secret Mewtwo icons that you can get. The first Mewtwo icon looks like this. And you get this Mewtwo icon by completing themed collections. So if I go to my missions right here, and I go to themed collections right here in the bottom right corner, and I scroll down to the bottom, I would be able to see this Mewtwo mission. So you complete this mission by collecting 5 Mewtwo cards. So the way that you can optimize getting these cards is just by simply opening these Mewtwo packs. So Mewtwo cards are only available in Mewtwo packs, as are Pikachu cards for the Pikachu pack and Charizard cards for the Charizard pack. So that's how you can get this first Mewtwo icon, which is a bit more common than the second one. And this is how the second Mewtwo icon looks. And this icon might be the rarest icon in the whole game, at least at this moment. So the way that you get this icon is by collecting all the cards from the Mewtwo pack. So you would just need to complete the whole pack collection of the Mewtwo Genetic Apex pack, and then you will get these cards. So you would just need to collect every single standard rarity card from this Mewtwo pack. So let's for example take Venusaur. You don't need a Venusaur EX, Venusaur Holo, and Venusaur Standard. You would just need to get one of those cards to make it count towards this icon. And because this icon is only obtainable through secret missions, you won't see the mission under the missions tab. But once you solved it, so once you collect every single card, you would be able to see the mission completed just like this. So that's how you can get these Mewtwo icons in Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you want to find out how to equip flares in Pokemon TCG Pocket, you can watch this video right here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.